Hey everyone, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So glad y'all can join me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder and Honey Translucent. Next, I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and putting it in my crease. Now I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take the shade Dreamer and put that all over my lids. And then I'm going to use the shade called Rush Hour and put that right in the center of my lids. By the way, I post new shorts every Monday and full makeup tutorials every Friday. So if you enjoy beauty content and fun videos, definitely subscribe. Okay, I already put on my lashes and now I'm moving on to my face. I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kampala 340. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. To contour my nose and bronze my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Mocha Mami. Now I'm just blending in that concealer where I highlighted at. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder and Honey Translucent again to set those same areas. For my all-over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Microsmooth powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to take that shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow Highlighter in 22 Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and the e.l.f. Cosmetics Squeeze Me Lip Balm in Grape. And yes, y'all, it smells so good. It smells just like grape, so I love that about this product, as well as how it feels on the lips and the shine that it gives. to set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. That's the finished emerald green glam makeup look. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe for more makeup tutorials as well as fun content. I post new shorts every Monday and new makeup tutorials every Friday. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.